Foundation Communities has provided affordable living and free community support services to help Texas families succeed since 1990. The Jordan at Mueller is the newest collaboration between Foundation Communities and Hatch & Hewland Owen Architects and Bailey Elliott Construction. Foundation Communities has forged a long-term partnership with Austin Energy Green Building in pursuit of their commitment to a sustainable, healthy environment for their residents. The design standards and sustainable choices brought to life at the Jordan provide an inspirational model for other multifamily developments looking for ways to make life better for residents and wider community. Situated in the heart of the vibrant Mueller neighborhood, the Jordan welcomed its first residents in 2019. This attractive, sustainable community offers 132 apartment homes comprising 1, 2, and 3-bedroom units in a 4-story building, providing a comfortable, affordable home for all kinds of families. The walkable Mueller neighborhood offers a range of amenities, including opportunities for healthy outdoor activity and access to public transit networks. Energy conservation is always a key consideration for Foundation Communities. The building features both wide overhangs and window awnings, helping to shade apartment windows and reduce glare from sunlight. While the overhangs and awnings are an attractive modern design feature from the exterior, they also support energy efficiency and help residents keep their homes cool and comfortable during the hot summer months. Evidence of thoughtful design is present in the residents' outdoor space, where the Jordan's configuration of mini apartment blocks connected by sheltered walkways allows ample window area for lighting the apartments and providing views of the courtyards and downtown. Residents can safely access their homes while being protected from the sun's rays in the summer and sheltered from the rain and wind during the colder seasons. The Jordan hosts bright, airy, and inviting public areas where an abundance of natural light from the large windows adds to a feeling of welcome and well-being. Reflective white and light color wall choices in both the public areas and in the apartments allow for even, glare-free light. Energy conservation and utility bill savings are top of mind in the choice of electric lighting, with cool, efficient LED light fixtures throughout. Up-to-the-minute technology and relevant resident education programs support both environmentally friendly living and ongoing sustainable behaviors. Foundation Communities provides residents with opportunities to fully understand the convenient lighting and thermostat technology, as well as access to individual apartment metering so that they can maintain comfort, save energy, and understand their own energy consumption. Also, right-sized variable speed heat pumps provide efficient heating and cooling, making sure that the community's energy bills remain affordable. The partnership between Foundation Communities and Austin Energy continues with the community's participation in the Green Choice program. The Jordan subscribes to 100% renewable Green Choice Texas wind energy, supporting sustainable living and energy options for residents' homes. Foundation Communities expects the impressive on-site 165-kilowatt solar array to supply clean, renewable energy for the offices, public spaces, and exterior lighting. All apartments and resident amenities at the Jordan are equipped with Energy Star low-flow fixtures and appliances, helping occupants conserve water and save money. Outside, the community enjoys native landscaping with drought-tolerant plants, reducing the need for costly irrigation. The surrounding landscaping is irrigated through the City of Austin's reclaimed water system, evident throughout the native landscaping as purple pipe fixtures. Safe and inviting outdoor space offers an abundance of well-being benefits. At the Jordan, outdoor cooking and picnic areas are available, allowing residents to spend time socializing with friends and family and building bonds with neighbors. A shaded outdoor living room with clear visibility to the community's fun play space for children sets the scene for comfortable outdoor gatherings, even in the heat of a Texas summer. The community's amenities were designed with resident health and well-being in mind. Street side and courtyard trees shade the playgrounds and sidewalks, while more trees were planted with a long-term goal of supplying shade to the parking lot. Covered mailboxes allow for convenient retrieval in all kinds of weather. Light-colored outdoor surfaces intentionally reflect heat, minimizing the effects of high temperatures on community members enjoying the outdoors. During the global pandemic, Foundation Communities' sustainable design and existing infrastructure has enabled them to offer practical support to their residents, proving that thoughtful, people-centered decision-making provides multiple benefits. The Jordan offers both after-school and tenant education programs in a purpose-built space equipped with hand-washing stations and resources to facilitate healthy practices. The free community support services offered by Foundation Communities make a huge difference to the lives of community members. Foundation Communities is committed to equity and inclusion, so the Jordan also provides accessible units for residents experiencing mobility challenges. Ramps provide access in areas where the parking area or street is below the walkways. The Jordan's location in the 700-acre, sustainably planned Mueller Development offers a wealth of opportunities for healthy outdoor activities, including parks, trails, swimming pools, and a community garden. For those who want sustainable and independent transportation choices, covered bike racks and electric vehicle charging points connected to Austin Energy's Plug-in Everywhere public charging network are available to both residents and visitors, enabling the community to exercise and travel while improving air quality for the entire community. Light-colored paving reduces urban heat island effect, contributing to a reduction in temperature for the whole neighborhood, even in the hot Texas climate. Thoughtful waste management and the presence of recycling bins make recycling easy and act as a prompt for sustainable behaviors. The presence of the Jordan's Green Building is a clear demonstration of sustainability leadership and benefits the entire Mueller community, both now and for generations to come. Mueller was planned with sustainability at its heart and earned LEED Gold for neighborhood developments. Planners of other multifamily communities can look to the Jordan for a solid example of sustainability and healthy community design.